Hi, I'm Trisha Isabie and this is Start to Style. Today I'm going to show you how to put together the perfect luxury dinner party. We have plenty more videos to come. If you like what you see, please subscribe below. Whether you plan to serve prime rib, rack of lamb, or eggplant parmesan, I'm going to show you how to make this the dinner party of the year. To begin with, pick a theme. Are you going traditional, glamorous, rustic, or modern? From there, you can choose your color palette. I'm going with a luxury botanical theme with hints of red and gold. If your dinnerware is patterned, make sure you stick with a solid colored tablecloth or placemat. White is always timeless. If you choose a tablecloth, aim for a 9 to 18 inch drop on each side. Cloth napkins are more elegant than paper. Napkin holders aren't a must. You can be creative with your display. Step 3, dinnerware. The sky's the limit. You may prefer the basic black or white, but if you opt for something a little more colorful or trendy, make sure your staple pieces are neutral, just in case you change your mind. The key here is layers. Start with a charger or service plate. Next, add in your dinner plate, your salad plate, and if you're serving a soup, your bowl. Add in a small bread plate to the upper left. These pieces don't all have to be from the same set. Mix it up and have some fun. When it comes to utensils, the basic rule is they're placed in the order of use. Lastly, glassware. The water glass belongs to the right of the plate, just above the knife. The wine glasses line up after that in order of what's being served. If you don't own enough dinnerware or glassware, or you're just tired of what you have, rentals are an excellent and affordable option. And now for the fun part, centerpieces and candles. We used fresh olive branches on the table for simplicity, with some taper candles nestled in. The real show was to be behind the table on the floating shelves. There we placed fresh plants, flowers, and succulents along with some great decor pieces. I think it turned out fantastic. I'm adding in some beautiful red pears and place cards for a touch of formality. Consider the space. You may not have a lot of room left over for food on your table. In that case, you can plate the food in the kitchen or consider going buffet style. My favorite part, the food. No matter the menu, always choose great platters and bowls to present it in. Garnishes are the final touch. A simple sprinkling of parsley on mashed potatoes gives it a more gourmet look. For an elegant meal like this, I like to decant the red wine and put white in a wine chiller. I'm a big believer in enjoying the meal with my guests, so I try to give myself plenty of time to prepare before they arrive. Then you can sit back and enjoy the amazing room and meal that you've put together. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, be sure to subscribe below for more videos to come. Wants eggplant parmesan when you can have chicken parmesan, or pizza, or lasagna. You may opt, just in case you change your mind, or your money or your mind. It's all about money and mind. You may,